everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is Nautical. Next week's theme will be Watercolor. And we also enter our projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. And so, a little life update for me. I have not been on for the last couple weeks, and it's okay. I had to take a little break because I wasn't feeling quite well. But anyways, so I'm going through a little bit of health issues, so keep me in your prayers. I will probably be on here and there. I'm not leaving hashtag Two Crafters One Design because I love it. But anyways, there might be some weeks that I may not be here. So, but in a couple weeks, and maybe even as soon as next week, I might have surgery. So, yeah, just keep me in your prayers, and hopefully I will see you soon. But anyway, so this week we have the nautical theme, and I wanted to get in on that. So I am using this lighthouse with cloths, but I'm just using the lighthouse. It was already put together, so I thought I would take advantage of that. And then I'm also using this lighthouse as well. And both of these are from Cottage Cuts. And I'm just using just the waves and that little rock there. And then I'm using these round oval dies from My Creative Time. And so if you like to use my code, it's MOE for 10% off your total purchase. And then hopefully she'll have a new site up soon so that you can go ahead and start purchasing once again. But she'll keep you up to date with that. But anyway, so let me show you the lighthouse. There we go. Oh, I'm also using the stars from that the larger lighthouse. But anyway, so I thought this turned out kind of cute. I did shape the waves to the shape of the card, and I actually used two of those. Actually, I used this rock and the waves to get that little area down there, and then I used the rock up there. But let me show you that a little bit more close. I thought it turned out cute, and I used some of those stars, like I said, to have a night sky there, and then the inside is just plain. But I still like how it turned out. And make sure you join in on those hashtags, hashtag Two Crafters One Design, as well as hashtag Satmorn Makes. And next week's theme is watercolor. So that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.